Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Priyam and today I'm going to unboxing Canon 80D. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and let's get started with this. So in the box you got the Canon 80D print and it comes with the 18 to 55 kit lens, and there also a 16GB memory card also comes with this box. So let's now open it, and here's the first thing you get in the box is the warranty card. Here's the body itself. Let's keep this aside for a moment. You got the battery, the charging cable, battery charger and the 80D camera strap. Let's open it. This is the 18 to 55mm kit lens comes with. Let's keep this aside. And the 16GB memory card comes with this package for free. It's a class 10 SanDisk memory card manual. Now let's come to the camera body. As you can see, the 80D print in the body, and at the side of the body there's a intervalometer point, HDMI and charging point, and a headphone and a mic jack with a variable LED touchscreen. अभी मैं मेमोरी कार्ड लगा लेता हूँ. Now let's insert the battery. Let's turn it on. As you can see, lens is not attached to the body, so let's mount the camera lens to the body. White point and white point. In the upper side of the body, a small screen to adjust your ISO, f-stop and aperture control, and a light button to help you to adjust in dark. Here's the plus button. So here were some overview of Canon 80D camera. I hope this unboxing video is somehow useful to you guys who are planning to buy this camera, and I will also make a proper 80D review in my another video. So hope you guys like this video. If you do like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you want to ask anything, then please comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.